Let us see how to change CMOS. I'm using my HP laptop for this video. Remove the battery. Don't use knife like this, use proper tools. Open all the screws. Next, pull out the DVD drive. Now let us open hidden screws. Pull out this gripping rubber and remove the screw. Place the gripping rubber back to its place before its glue gets dry. Do the same on the other side. Next, opening the back case or back panel. To remove the back case or back panel, you need to detach this black border. Don't use knife, instead use proper tools. Detach the case as shown in this video. Be very careful while detaching the case. Don't push the tool too deep because you might damage your laptop components. Now gently give a slight push here, then detach the case in battery region. Take extra care not to damage the case. Back panel is successfully removed. Remove the CMOS battery and replace it with the new one. Next, assemble everything. Close the back case to its original state. Place the DVD drive back in its position and tight all the screws. Attach the battery. Open the laptop and switch on the power button. Press the appropriate function key to get into BIOS settings. In my case it is F10. Sorry, due to handheld camera, the video is little shaky. Set the system time and date. Next, exit, saving the changes. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Check out my other videos. Links are given in the description.